So welcome students. So in this question you're given the equation of a hyperbola x square by cos square alpha minus y square by sin square alpha is equal to 1. You're asked to find which of the property of this hyperbola remains constant as alpha changes. We have four options. One is the eccentricity, the other is the directrix. The third option is the abscess of the vertex. The fourth is the abscess of the focus. Now let us find the eccentricity of this hyperbola, because all of this depends on eccentricity. So the eccentricity is root of 1 plus b square by a square, that is sin square alpha by cos square alpha. That is nothing but, if you take LCM, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is 1. So root of 1 by cos square alpha is 1 by cos alpha. This implies E cos alpha is always equal to 1. And what is E cos alpha? E cos alpha is nothing but A times E, right? So A times E always remains constant. That means the coordinates of foci will always remains constant as long as, even if alpha changes. E alpha always remains constant. So option D is the right answer. Thank you.